pressured na, oh, you'll be the next Aika Melendez. Because I know I believe in her talent. And I just hope the people would see that. Kanina, actually, teary-eyed ako. Seeing my daughter, parang hindi ko na-imagine kasi dati when I asked her, do you want to be an actress? Do you want to be an artist? And she'd tell me, no, mom, I'll be focusing on my studies. She's studying at the same time at Ateneo. She's taking up pre-law, developmental studies. So, sabi ko, basta kung pagpasok sa showbiz na siya, hindi mo papabayaan ang pag-aaral. And she promised me that.
And may mga restrictions ka daw. Bawal muna ang kissing scenes.
Yeah, bawal.
PG rules.
Love team okay lang, pero...
Pero love team okay naman daw sa'yo.
Yes, okay naman ako dun. Kasi I think that's the in thing now eh. Pero yung kissing scene, hindi ko pa yata kaya.
Bakit, Mars?
She's my baby eh.
Wala pa siyang 18 eh.
She's 19 na now.
19 na?
Oo. And never had a boyfriend. So, not that I'm strict, but you know, I'm a single mom. So, I know how it is na masaktan, di ba, ng paulit-ulit. So, I would want to shield her from that.
So, anong payo mo sa kanya when it comes to, syempre, to love?
To love, to enjoy first and not to rush things. Because now that she's going to be exposed to a lot of people, syempre, andyan yung may tuksuhan. Pag may love team ka, isi-ship kayo. Sabi ko, you know, try to get to know everyone muna and be friends with everyone. Huwag ka ma-pressure dun sa, if you're in a love team, you'll be in love with the ka-love team. Sabi ko, huwag kang ganon. Yun.
Syempre, experience mo na yun. Pero anong mo sa kanya? Anong payo mo na, syempre, ang showbiz nga, maraming, sabi mo, maraming tukso, challenges. Anong payo mo talaga sa kanya?
Unang-una, yung be humble. Humility kasi will take you to places. Eh. I mean, you know, when you when you aim for acting kasi I want to be the greatest, I want to be the great actor, it can be learned. Eh. Pero yung pagiging innate ang pagiging mabuting puso mo, yung humility mo, that's something else. Kasi mahalaga sa longevity ng isang artista, marunong makisama, marunong magpasalamat sa mga media, kagaya nyo. Because may mga times na mapupunan nyo rin na hindi siya perfect, na merong mga flaws, but that will keep her grounded. I told her nga, do not take things personally. If the press or media would tell you na, oh, bakit may ganyan ka, matuto kang magpasalamat sa kanila kasi sila ang staying power mo, ang fans at ang media at ang press. Yun ang sinasabi sa akin.
So, emotionally na handa mo na siya
Oh yeah.
sa showbiz.
I hope in my own little way, kahit pa paano na medyo merong starter course na.
So, ikaw paano nag-start yung offer? Ikaw ba ang in-approach?
Hindi, Ninong Edwin Tanya, si Ninong Edwin Tanya kasi, very close sa akin. So alam niya, pagka through Ninong niya, mag-usap silang dalawa, medyo mapapapayag ako. Kasi noong una, napitension talaga ako. Kasi si Andre, artista rin, di ba? Okay lang, lalaki eh. He's of age already. But you know, when you see your daughter, your mini-me, parang kanina, naiiyak ka talaga, hindi ko ma-explain. Sabi ko talaga, umayag din ako, eto na yun. So, nakaka-proud.
And the flashback ba sa'yo yung younger years mo?
Oh, yeah.
Isa ka?
Yeah, kasi kanina, nung napanood ko yung MTV and yung mga pictures na and when she was on stage, sabi ko, kamukha ko talaga. Hindi ba pagkakailaan ako talaga. Iba lang talaga yung mata niya. I mean, nasugat na yung mata niya. Pero para akong nananalangin. So kanina talaga sabi ko, oh my God, this is it.
So dad niya, nagpaalam pa kayo?
Siya ang nagsabi. Kasi kami ni Martin naman, we always support na lang what she wants. And in fairness naman to Martina, how can we say no when she has good grades? I mean, she studies in Ateneo, walang sakit ng ulo binigay sa akin. So ito lang hiniling sa akin, how can I say no? And even the dad.
Wala pang nanliligaw sa kanya sa Ateneo?
Meron dalawa eh, pero hindi ko gusto.
Bakit,
Pati
Mars?
mami ko na ayaw na, ayaw, diba?
Wag muna, mag-enjoy muna siya.
Ayaw namin eh.
Siya rin naman. Si Martin.
Ayaw pa rin niya. Pero sabi ko, huwag ka maging suplada. You just be friendly, try to get to know them, and basta you know your limit.
Nagulat ka kanina na sinabi niyo si Ann Curtis ang idol niya at hindi ikaw.
Ay, okay lang. Kasi syempre, ang age niya is hindi na age ko.
You're right.
So, iba na yung genre ko. And I don't even know if she has seen any of my movies. Not sure. Alam ko isa lang, which was may
minamahal?
maalaala mo kaya.
Oh,
Yung-
with Chinchon
yung-
Gutierrez.
Yeah, yun ang napanood niya.
So willing ka bang i-train si Martina? Kasi okay siya sa drama eh. Sabi niyo, willing siya eh.
Siguro iba na lang. Meron namang mag-workshop kasi baka pag ako, mahiya, magkailangan siya. But I'll always be here, being her supporter, her number one fan. I'd always tell her na, i-try mo tong ano na to, ganyan, approach na to. But at the end of the day, it's her game. It's her own show. And ano niya, laban niya yan, andun na ako sa likod.
Magiging stage ma'am ka
Oh
ba?
no, I am a supportive mom.
Hindi
And a fan,
stage mom.
but not a stage mom. I nothing that I'm against dun sa mga stage mom. They can be protective. But you know, I see myself more of a supportive mom.
Anong reaction mo? Boto sa tayo.
Happy ako. Kasi, bye Mars. Happy ako kasi my kids are, even with Andre, he was, vocal in saying na, okay, siguro naman nakita niya rin yung journey namin ni Juan na after 29 years, ending namin ng isa't isa. So siguro nakita nila din yung sincerity ni Juan, kaya din sila ganyan.
Mars, kanina nga tinanong kita kung open mag-level up, sabi mo, it all depends on 1 week pa rin siya.
Siyempre kasi siya yung lalaki, siya yung
yeah.
propose, di ba? Ang pangit naman na, hindi pa. So, ang pangit naman kung sa akin manggagaling, no, mag-propose ka.
But definitely, pag nag-propose, you will say yes.
Surprise!
Napilit ka pa ba na magpakasal pa?
Oo naman, yeah. I don't think any failure in marriage would define my happiness or would
Correct.
define my decision in loving again. I think, siguro naman, iba-iba ang faith ng tao, iba-iba pagka, and they say na pagka na-meet mo na yung talagang para sa'yo at nakatakda para sa'yo, siguro naman 29 years is evident enough
Yeah.
for me to see na, oh my God, dati pa pala dapat. Pero no regrets kasi I have 2 wonderful kids. If hindi ko rin naman pinagdaanan yun, hindi lang naman kami mapupunta ni 1 week sa napakagandang station.
If there's love advice na you'd give to Martina, given all your experiences,
Sabi ko nga sa kanya, can you wait another 29 years just to know your destiny? Huwag ka na gumaya sa akin. Kasi diba, kota na ako. Sabi niya, Mom, that's too long, 29 years. That's your story to tell. Never mind. Sabi niya, basta, never rush. Just enjoy and always, I always believe in the power of prayer. Kasi itong relationship ni Juanig is based on hindi lang kaming dalawa. We put God in the center of everything. I hope she does the same because she's very active in church also.
Mars, ngayon nga, nakapagawa ka pa ng song, di ba, nakwento mo kanina?
Yes.
Can you share us something? Bakit mo nagawa yung kantang yun?
I always love to write, even before. Ayan, si Sir Edwin Tan, yung co-manager na Star Wars. Yan yung ninong ni Martina, kung naging way, bakit napa-oo ako.
Classmate.
Oo, ninong niya. Kaya ako napa-oo. So, bakit ba? Matagal na ako nagsusulat ng kanta, kaya na nasusuppress. Hindi, siguro kay 1 week ko na nakita na it's time na ilabas yung hidden talent ko na marunong ako sumulat.
Sumulat ka ng kanta, sino naglagay ng music?
Si Marvin Garrido ng Neo
Wow.
Colors.
Ay, sino kumanta? Ika?
Ako.
Oh, wow.
Na-release na yun.
Singer
Yes,
ka na?
na-release na. May Spotify na siya, nasa YT music video na siya, tapos may MTV na.
Mars, you also mentioned,
Kailan
di ba kanina?
nilo-launch yan?
Na-launch na! Oo.
That you mean invite?
Ay, hindi. Walang launching formal, launching.
Mars, you also mentioned kanina na matagal na nawala siya sa showbiz si Juan Miguel.
Oo.
Minsan ng selos, syempre nagiging part.
Yeah.
How can you explain to him pagka nakakaramdam siya ng selos?
I just assure him and I always tell him na at the end of the day, it's our ball game. My work has nothing to do with our relationship. And I think it's just, reassuring him na at the end of the day, siya pa rin naman pipiliin.
Seryoso ba siya?
Medyo. Kasi siguro na ninibago sa setup ng showbiz. So kaya nga ngayon, sabi niya, Han, pwede bang huwag ka muna mag-lock in taping? So syempre di ba uso ngayon yung lock in? Huwag muna daw. Kasi hindi siya sanay na hindi ako makikita ng matagal.
Pero sa
Haba ng hair ko.
political career mo, hindi ba siya nagsiselos? Yung time mo, siya?
Hindi, naintindihan niya yan. Sometimes na sumasama siya sa akin sa pag-ikot. So, I'm very blessed and grateful na I have a partner who's very understanding and supportive sa trabaho.
May plans ka ba to run for a higher position next election?
I do not know yet. I think it's the people of Quezon City who will define my decision in running for a higher post. And I think also, very important sa akin din yung endorsement ni Mayor Joy kung ano yung nararapat para sa akin.
Oo nga, kasi last term na ni Mayor
Yes,
Joy.
last term na ni Mayor
Kung
Joy.
sakali, posibleng mayor na.
Ay, hindi. Definitely hindi Mayor.
Congress.
Vice, yan.
Ay, hindi natin alam kung vice, Congress, or I still have one term as councilor. I have all the options for 2028. But again, very important ang magiging role at crucial ang decision ni Mayor Joy. Kasi she has done a good job, and I think whoever she endorses will have a 20% edge over this mga tatakbo.
Pero kung ikaw nga ang mapili sa pagka-mayor, ready ka naman.
I'll cross the bridge.
Ay, ayoko magsasalita na across the bridge, gasgas na gasgas na yan. Tsaka yung bridge na yan, di ba, ang daming mga politiko
Baka ano na,
nasabi na hindi
tumagal.
natatapos.
Correct.
So, I think, ever since naman na pumasok ako sa public service, nakahanda na ang sarili ko na magsilbi. Whether be it a higher position o position ko is just the same, ready at handa ang puso.
Pero hindi ka ba na-turn off sa klase ng government that we have now?
Nata-turn off.
Na syempre, di ba, ang daming mga anomalies, controversies na hindi pa nga ma-resolve itong floods and controls.
Sobrang turn off to a point nga na, you know, syempre meron pa naman ilan na natitira na magaganda ang puso sa public service. Pero sana, itong ating bayan, itong gobyerno natin, will level up na, focus on the projects that can be given to the poor ones, and do not, focus muna sa infrastructure. Because dyan nga yung infrastructure na yun dyan.
Yung kinukura ko.
Kinukura ko, di ba? Buti sana kung yung infrastructure nyo is mga eskwelahan, may mga markets na mabibigay o trabaho para sa mga natin, drivers, transport group, lalo na ang taas ng gasolina, yun ang nabibigay. Pero hindi. Inuuna nyo yung mga kalye, napagkita nyo naman, asfalto lang naman.
Gawa lang,
We
gawa,
all know ang
sinisira.
asphalt overlay is if you want to make money, then do a project in the asphalt
Totoo yun.
overlay. Sana, yung isipin nilang proyekto is long term, hindi lang yung pambulsa nila.
Pero may pinagkakatiwalaan ka pang leader natin na pwede talagang mag-lead sa